Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is A7777. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. GMC bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats. Down here you have two USB ports and a full-size plug so you can charge any of your devices. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23, or you can visit us online at holidayautomotive.com. That's where you can schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.